You don't gotta go to work.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I'm Amanda from class 12 Industrial Automation Engineering or TOI. I will present a practicum that I have done in the Proximity Sensor and Actuator or PSI laboratory with the title Water Flow Sensor Practicum. What is a water flow sensor? Water flow sensor is a sensor that has a function as a counter for the flow of water following where there is a motor movement that will be converted to a unit value of liters. This sensor consists of several valve parts, namely a plastic valve, a water rotor, and a Hall effect sensor. The working principle of the water flow sensor is that following water will pass through the valve and will make the magnetic rotor rotate at a certain speed according to the flow rate. The magnetic field contained in the rotor will have an effect on the Hall effect sensor, and it will produce a pulse signal in the form of a voltage. The output of the voltage pulse has the same voltage level as the input with the frequency of the water flow rate. The signal can be processed into digital data via a controller or microcontroller. The following is a picture of the water flow sensor. The following is a from or image of the water flow sensor wiring diagram. The tools and material that will be used during this practicum are as follows: 1. Flow sensor 1 piece, 2. Arduino Uno 1 piece, 3. Signal unit power supply, 4. Laptop 1 unit, 5. 1 unit data cable, 6. Sufficient connection cable, 7. Hose to test, 8. To water contest, and 9. DC water from 12 volt 1 unit. Okay, next I will convey some of the words that will be carried on during the practicum. 1. Prepare tools and materials. 2. Pay attention to the wiring diagram that has been given. 3. Connect the Arduino Uno and the sensor like the wiring diagram. 4. Connect Arduino Uno with the PC use USB cable. 5. Read and understand the program below on Arduino IDE. And 6. Open the serial monitor on the tools main contained in the Arduino IDE application. 7. Observe the data changes that occur. Here I show the result of the practicum that I have obtained in doing this practicum. The conclusion from this practicum are: 1. The average increase in the value rate on the monitor is 0.20 liters in a 10 seconds increment time difference. 2. The average increase in the measuring value on the measuring cup is 200 to 300 milliliters in an increase of 10 seconds. 3. The average error obtained is 14.63%. That's all I can say in this video. I'm sorry if there are mistakes in words or pronunciation. I end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Work, 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 work. What you gotta put